If you're looking to add a Pilates reformer to your home setup, this foldable model is designed to make that more practical. I keep it set up all the time, but I'm working with limited space and sometimes I don't want a full-time piece of equipment taking over my room. The springs aren't metal coils, but they're actually bands made of rubber. I love that I have the ability to fold it up should I need to store it out of the way. The carriage is very stable and the frame is designed to support users up to 250 pounds. It was fairly simple to put together. It took me a little time, but not too long. The reformer feels pretty solid considering the price point. Of course, it's not like a professional reformer that you would find in a Pilates studio, but it does the trick for my home use. I use the reformer for different ranges of exercises, targeting my legs, my arms, my back, and my core, and making it a versatile option for my home workouts. Overall, it's a space-conscious way to bring studio-style Pilates training into my home.